Hello everyone, this is Singh Sachin, student of second year March batch from UPHSD, and today we are going to examine our eye and ear. So let's proceed with the eye first. So for the examination of eye, we are going to look at some important area like our conjunctiva and sclera, visual acuity, extraocular muscle movement, fundus of eye using by ophthalmoscope to see optic disc and retina. Hello, how are
Yes,
you?
I'm good, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Ankush Kumar.
Okay, so first sanitize your hand, then I will also sanitize my hand. It's Corona time, right? Okay, so today we are going to test your conjunctiva and sclera. Okay, for that, please move a little forward. Look a little upward. I am going to check your sclera and conjunctiva. For that, I am just going to look your lower eyelid with my thumb, noticing the color or any yellow sign and looking for any kind of swelling. So your sclera and conjunctiva is totally good, and if we can proceed with our second test, which is extraocular muscle movement test. Okay, are you ready for that? Okay, thank you. So let's proceed. So now you have to focus on this pencil and do focus where I am asking you to focus. Just keep your focus on this pencil. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so now on the right without pausing in the middle to the left. We can also check your eye movement by fingering also. Okay, like that. Okay, so measuring the visual acuity, we are going to use Snell chart. Read the alphabets. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. We have to place the patient 20 feet away from the chart. So now you so now I am covering your right eye. You should start the alphabet by
E
the Snell chart.
P
So
F T
okay,
O Z
okay.
L
So
P
now I'm covering
E
your
D
another eye.
E
Okay,
E D R C
okay,
Z P.
okay. Very good, and thank you so much. So now we can see he is having correct vision of 20 by 20. The first indication, the distance of the. Okay, so now we are going to examine the fundus of eye and including optic disc and retina by using instrument called ophthalmoscope. Okay, so this is our ophthalmoscope which has lens disc, aperture and indicator of diopter according to my indications. Okay, and this is the beam balancer to adjust the frequency of light. Now we are going to examine the patient's eye. So I place myself 15 inches away from the patient eye with the by using the ophthalmoscope and move look slightly 50-degree from the patient line of vision at my shoulder level now. Now I am trying to focus into his eyes and I saw the round yellow structure which is optic disc and inspect the retina. Okay, so why inspecting optic disc? Basically, I am checking the sharpness and the clarity of the disc outline, and the second thing is color of the disc, and the third thing is size of central physiologic cups. Okay, so now we are done with our eye examination. So let's go for the next examination. It's for ear. So let's proceed with to the ear. For our ear, I am going to have three tests. First is whisper voice test, and the second is test for lateralization, and the third test is Renin test. We will discuss one by one. So first of all, just examine the bony cavity just behind the ear, adjust the nozzle length of otoscope, and then insert and adjust the lens according to the focal of middle ear. So for the whisper test, now I am going to use simply use the old method, and for the lateralization we are going to use the tuning fork test. So Ankush, now I am going to test your hearing acuity with whisper test. So for that I am going to stand 2 feet behind you, so you won't be able to read my lips. Okay, so now I will cover your one ear side and I will whisper some letter and you have to repeat in the same sequence. J, K, L, M. So tell me, what was the letter?
J, K, L, M.
I will whisper some letter. A, B, C, D, E. So what was the letter? Tell me.
A, B, C, D, E.
Okay, very good. Okay, you were correct. Thank you so much. I am proceeding with the test for the lateralization. For that I place the tuning fork at the top of the patient head, and after that I will fix the tuning fork on the side. Can you hear the
Ear
sound?
side?
Both sides. Okay. The side, right? Now let's proceed with the Renin test. For that I place the tuning fork at the mastered one and vibrate it gently. So can you hear the vibration? Yeah, okay. Can you hear the vibration?
Yes.
Okay, he is able to hear the vibration. So thank you so much.